podcast.
Today we are interviewing Dr. Manish Saraswat, who is the professor and head of the Oil Skill Center. We are right now sitting at the office of the Oil Skill Center in Greater Noida.
So, sir, the first question that we have for you is, what sustainable materials or eco-friendly practices have you used in your car's design and manufacturing process? And how do you ensure minimal environmental impact while working on roads, manufacturing, etc.?
Hello Team Tech-Yon. First, at the onset, I would like to welcome you all, you budding technicians, to the Logistics Center, because I came to know that you are participating in a competition called as Airport. So my heartiest congratulations to you all. As far as the sustainability in Logistics Center is concerned, but whenever we are designing any product, it may be a UAV or UGV, we first take the consideration of the sustainability development goals, in which the waste management, the utilization of materials which are non-hazardous to the society is taken into consideration. For example, if we are talking about the UAV, we are developing those UAV which are completely made from the carbon fiber, so that the wastage, the minimal wastage will be done. As far as on the other hand, if we talk about the energy usage, then we are using the lithium ion, lithium phosphate and lithium polymer batteries. So in this way, we are taking into consideration that whatever the waste material will be generated out of the LFC will not be a problem to the society.
Thank you. So that is a very good initiative. We'll also ensure minimal sustainability at our end.
So what plans do you have for the reuse or recycling of components that are left over after the manufacturing of the tools, so that we can also take some inspiration?
The major source of energy in drones as well as in UAV and UGVs are the batteries. So our next line of action is that we are going to establish a plant over there in which the refurbished battery will be utilized for the method. And once the life cycle 3 or 4 channel is consumed of a battery, then we will use these same batteries for the stationary power supply. So in this life cycle analysis, if we talk about it in terms of economy, then in case of 10 megawatt of plant, or we can say that 10 kilowatts of a plant, will make it in under the cost of 50,000, which is quite cheaper than your household inverter. So we are planning to reutilize each and everything so that the refurbished battery will also serve the purpose of a room, of a society, or of a colony.
So drones and exosounds both prioritize lightweight design. How do you balance performance and material sustainability by keeping the drones light and aerodynamic?
See, in both in F1 and as well as in drones, the main, we can say that input parameter is weight. Lower the weight, higher is the performance. It may be a case of F1 or it may be a case of drone. So once we are developing any drone or any F1 car, we always take into consideration that whatever the assembly or the mechanism we are involving or employing in the machine, it should be light in. Second, whenever we are doing any designing, we also used to do certain other things that is called as DFME, Design Failure Mode Engineering Analysis, Value Engineering and Value Engineering. So by these tools, we get to know that how much cost reduction as well as the weight reduction we can do. And apart from that, we are also very particular about the selection of the material, that which material we are going to deploy in our machine so that the weight can be minimalized.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. And if there's anything you would like to say about our team, Tech-Yon, or the competitions can we see?
Okay, so while you are going into a competition, remember one thing, that your product, whatever you are delivering to the competition, it should bring a rate of change of November. What is the rate of change in your project is there? That will be a leading edge, that will give you the highest marks, that will give you the winning marks. So whenever you are designing, fabricating or delivering anything to the competition, just keep in mind that what is the rate of change. What change you are bringing in your vehicle which is not available in the other vehicles. So that will be a plus point to the side. The rest of the thing, you are enthusiastic, you are charismatic, your presentation is too good. So my best wishes are on you and hopefully you will win.
Thank you so much.